Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and if you're new here, I am a homeschooling mom of two girls. I just finished my second year homeschooling my first grader. We started in kindergarten, and on this channel, I talk about homeschooling, faith, and culture, and mom life. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some fun math games that I'm going to be using with my daughter this summer to solidify some of the concepts that she worked on in her current math curriculum. We use Math-U-See. We just finished Alpha, which covers addition and subtraction facts up to 20. She's been doing really well with it. I also use some workbooks to incorporate some fun activities and different modalities to help her grasp the concepts. But math is just one of those subjects that I feel if you don't do it every day, you have a tendency to sometimes forget concepts. So we like to do 3 days of review so that when we come back in August, she is confident, she hasn't lost anything, and we don't spend so much time reviewing things. We can just get in, jump in, and go. So the first game that I'm going to show you is a fun math card game. It is called Number Whiz, and it's produced by Discovery Toys. It comes in this really great box, and you can just pull out the spinner, and then you have the cards, and then there are directions for how to play it, as well as a couple variations for how to make the game a little bit more interesting. Now, this game only goes up to math facts. It doesn't go to anything over 9. So all the answers are going to be 9 and below. So how it works is you're going to distribute 7 cards to each player. Okay, and then you have a deck to shuffle through and choose cards from if you cannot make your cards work. Then each person spins. So I, of course, spinned exactly on the line. So we'll spin again. Okay, so I got a 3. I have to use the cards in my hand to make 3. Okay, so you have a few cards. I let my daughter put these out. It's easier for her to see them. And obviously, I don't care what's in her hand. Not a secret to me. So I divided it up between the solid color backgrounds and the cards that have backgrounds with plus signs on them. And actually, I don't have any that make a negative. So I got to make 3. So what happens is you have to use, in the equation, the solid color has to go first. And then this is like the action card. So if I wanted to make 3, I could choose my 1 plus 2 to make 3, and then I can discard it. Now, if I have more ways of making 3 using, the solid color in front, like, look at this. I have a 2 plus a 1. I could also put that down as well, and then I only have 3 cards left in my hand. Now, you're probably thinking, awesome, this game can be won super quickly. Absolutely not, because I could totally roll, and unless I'm making 9, I'm still stuck with an extra card. So this game goes on really long, and I've never found a way to actually beat my child because she's amazing, and the game is super fun. She'll end up playing this for like 30 minutes to 45 minutes because she's so excited. So that is the Number Whiz game by Discovery Toys. So the next activity that my daughter has really enjoyed, which was kind of funny, I didn't even know these still existed. These are the Discovery Toys math keys. One of the things I love the most about this is the fact that they are all connected, so I don't have to have a huge bag of these lying around with multiple strings. The same string works for all of them. Kind of genius. So what you do is you basically fan out what your daughter or son wants to work on. And if it's something in the middle, you just go like this, and there you go. What's really great about this particular set is that, now I haven't done this since I was probably in 3rd grade, and I was doing this with multiplication. So forgive me if this is already known. I like that the answers for the top are on this side and the answers for the bottom set of numbers is right there. Just feeling stuck on something, the answers are going to be in the same area sometimes she accidentally does that and skips it and then it's off. So this is great for not only building skills, but also for some fine motor skills, because you do have to gently tug a little bit. And I really love this because it's also self-checking. So they've got these little grooves on the back, and your kid could see, oh wow, this didn't line up, I did that wrong. And then they can go back and figure out where they messed up and they can fix it. This goes from 1 to 9. They have other ones, but I just got the addition ones this time. I would probably also get the subtraction for now, and definitely the multiplication, because this is really fun and you can take it anywhere. When I'm putting her sister down for a nap and she needs to do a review, she can just snuggle up on the couch and she can figure it out. And what's great about it again is it's a self-check. I think that self-checks are really great so that your child can kind of see what they got wrong and they can persevere through it. So I'm super excited to partner with Discovery Toys and offer a 20% discount on the items I'm sharing with you today. So check the description box, and if you really like these items and you want to try them out, just plug it in for that special 20% discount. Now, this next math game I've never heard of. I was so excited when we got it, and what I really liked is not only is it appropriate for math, they also have cards that you can do spelling and grammar. So it's really a game that you can get a lot of use out of, and it's also a self-check game. It's called Think It Through Learning Tiles. I'm gonna show you how you load it up and then how your kid can do this. Again, this is something fun that your child can do by themselves, and it's also self-checking, which is great for moms because you don't have to like check to see if their work is good. They can do it on their own, and then they have to figure out and problem solve where they might have gone wrong if the patterns on the back don't match. So this one's really simple. The instructions are super easy. On this side, you have the order. So there's about 25 cards in each of the set boxes, and you just stick them in now. So you either have 1 all the way up to 25. So what you do is you open this, and of course your kid will have a lot of fun matching them. So what you do is you look at the number on here and you find the number in this corner and you place it on there to set it up. So if these are out of order, like mine are, your child can just put them in order. That's great for that. Okay, so what you do is you just pick up the numbers, the number 1. So we're adding the blue and the red. So 1 plus no red would be 1. Okay. 1 plus 2 would be 2. Okay, so I put that on the answer. I find the answer down here. 2 plus 2 would be 4. 3 plus 2 would be 5. And then so on and so on. 1 plus 2 would be 3. So 3 plus 3 would be 6. 3 plus 4 would be 7. 4 plus 5 would be 9. 3 plus 5 would be 8. And oddly enough, 5 plus 5, 10 is going to go on 10. Okay, now, this is important. I have messed up on this. Put that back over it. Then you can flip it over and you're going to slide it down. And if the design on your card matches the design in the case, which is this, your kid's done it right. That's how you tell. If they haven't done it right, they get to sort of be a detective. That's what I've told my daughter, to fix it and see what she did wrong. This particular set is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So I feel like I'm getting a really good value because when we get to multiplication and division, then she can practice with these, and she really enjoys them. So I hope you enjoyed seeing some new games that you can use to help your first or second grader really solidify their facts. These are not just for summer review. You could do this during the school year. That's what I did with my daughter. She does her math learning in the morning, and then in the afternoon when I'm putting her sister down for her nap, she does a little bit of reading, and then she also does some math review. If you have a game that you love playing with your kid, I would love to hear about it. Make sure to leave a comment below telling me what games you play with your kid to help solidify those math facts. And if you liked the content of this video, make sure to hit subscribe and give me a like. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.